Mag-walking lang tayo dito sa may Oceano Lagoon. Diyan, dito. May river pa dito. Sa mga picture na. Let's see. Ano si Mister? Maliit na lagoon dito eh. Malapit sa dagat. Nakaka-relax dito. Ano ba the butterfly? Do you see it? The monarch butterfly? This is the across camping area too. I think this one is the tent area, huh? Oh, there's a drive-through already. There's a car from where the end, I think, of that. Oh, it's nice, huh? Oh, I think that's the turtle that we saw last time, but there's two different types of turtle, huh? There's the red-eared turtles. Yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, I think that's the yellow butterfly that I saw. Kasi akala naman hindi ang public dito mag-walking. If you're not camping, but they said it's okay. You're welcome. It's open for public. So sa mga gustong mag-walking here at the Oceano Lagoon by the beach, you're more than welcome and allowed to go walking by banking. Oh, I think right here is the tent area. Look. Yeah. And there's not much of people. We should camp here, huh? We should camp and take Alisa and then take her to school and then come back again in our campsite. Oh, din naman yung ano nila, tent nila for food. Mayroong tent na may net. Nag-chill lang sila doon, nakaka-relax. Yung mga nandoon. Nakaka-relax dito sa lagoon na to. Just going for a walk. Alisa's at school right now, so may nature walk tayo. Birds of Oceano Lagoon. How do you pronounce it, huh? Aves de Lagoon Oceano. What it means, like birds. Kasi na birds is pajarito. Pajaro. Ito yung mga ibon na nandito sa lagoon. May American fruit. Parang duck sa atin. And there's also a pucha americana. Pucha americana. Oh my God, tawa ko dyan sa pangalan na ito. Mallard ducks. Ito yung nandaan. Katawa. Black ground, night heron pala. This one, han. I think. Oh no, it's not this one. It's not that one. That one is the martin. It's a garza nocturna. Maingay yan sa gabi. The black pili, mosquito. There's a mosquito negro, huh? Black mosquito. Agila, pescadora. And yun, Felicia americana. Yan pala yung How do you pronounce it in Spanish, han? And yun, this one, pucha americana. It's a Polica americana. It's like it's the American fruit, no? Pucha lang tawag sa ano to. sa ibon na to. Pucha. Kinuha ko. I'll tell you later. Pucha Americana, ang American coot, osprey, Agila Pescador. Maybe that's your car ready na. So, ay, may gumalamit na ako to. May gumagalaw-galaw sa tubig. Dito tayo sa Oceano Lagoon I Nature. Ang tawag dito. Oak. Tanong natin si Mister kung ito yung oak tree. Yan yung bunga niya. Let's ask Mister kung anong klaseng puno iyan. Ang dami niyang bunga. Pero wala akong nakikitang ibon dito sa tubig or turtle. Baka may ahas. Lipat tayo, kakatakot. Oh, may frog. Look at the frog, Han. There's a green frog. Let's see, scroll. Zoom in natin. Yun pala yung gumagalaw-galaw. Mga palangga yung green frog na yun. Tinan mo yung ulo niya. Green na green.
Okay. Okay.
Ang ganda ng bulaklak nito, oh. Ganda ng palighting dito, ah. Nakaka-relax dito. This is oak tree, no? Oh, did you see that green frog right here? Look, it's so big. It's down there. Yung green frog right there, look. Look at the head, it's so green. Interesting. Ganda mga padamo dito, oh. And that's a eucalyptus tree, no? Eucalyptus, yeah. Yung mahaba na dahon ng eucalyptus tree. Where is that sign for the fishes earlier where they're at? The rangers. Oh, I didn't know this thing is big. It's a long trail, no? Ang linis ng trail nila dito. There's a chair right there too, look. Oh, yeah, you're right. There's another lagoon right on across. On the other side. But where is that signs for the fishes that they were looking at earlier? Oh yeah, there's another sign of lagoon over there. Nasa gitna pala kami ng lagoon. I don't see it, huh? Oh, this is where we at earlier, across there, huh? No? Pine trees. I think you have to go around it, huh? It looks like there was like a bridge. No? First time ko mag-walking dito. Doon kayo sa kabila yung RV parking lang. Pwede ka mag-upo dito, reading your books, just to chill and relax. Look at that one right there. Look at the ducks. Right there, the ducks are just... Oh, look, there's a fish. I just saw a fish, han. There's ducks under the trees. Ew. Umalis na yung si Ducky. Natakot sa akin. Oh, there's a sign over there. Oh yeah, there's a chair too. Naku, may pumatay ng ibon. Ito na yung mga balahibo ng ibon, oh. Isa sa mga wild animals. Siguro. Nag-away-away sila. O, tinan mo, diba? Sa gitna yung ano, yung ducks. Yung mga ducky. Ang cute nila. Let's get close a little bit here. Baka may makita tayong turtle. Huwag naman sana snake, kasi takot tayo sa snake. Oh, the fish are jumping around, ha? May pa-chair sila dito. Pwede kang umupo. Tsaka mag-relax lang. Ayan yung poison, poison oaks. Yung red na yan. Is it this one?
No, I think it might be that way.
Oh, really? They have coyotes here?
They got everything.
Huh. May coyote daw dito, oh.
Got that big rat.
Oh, there's also the brown bat, huh?
Musk rat.
And the raccoon. Look at the skunk. Ano, what Alisa said? Stunk. It's a stunk. Oh, look at that one. That's the giant rat. So what the heck? Oh, sorry. Where's the fox?
They don't have the picture, but
Oh, yeah. Huh. Interesting. Look at the hair for the ducks. Huh? Someone probably attack birds here, huh? No? Maybe the coyote, maybe, or fox. Ito pala yung ano ng lagoon. Oh, that's where we at the other side last time when we went walking here. No? But I like that spot over there, right there or right here to sit out, huh?
there's fish. It's a good spot.
Just to fish and have a Lisa play, no? Or right here, look.
It's a sign that has everything inside.
Uh-huh.
Grass, birch.
I know. Maybe it's on the other side, huh? Because you can just sit here and fish and we can bring our snacks, no? We can have a picnic day.
Over there, the other spot is better, no?
Uh-huh, because there's more space, no, for Lisa. She can bring her toys and play. With her toys, having picnics or something. Maybe one of the Fridays after she gets off school, because since her music class has changed to Thursday, I moved it. This is the poison oaks, no? Uh-huh. And then yung mga wild duck. There's a black PV. Yung nakita natin kanina dun sa picture. I-zoom in ko.
Animals.
That's the black PV, hand. Look. You see that on the branch? Right there. Yung black PV kanina nakita natin dun sa picture. Sa sign nila. Daming animals dito, ha? It's so nice to walk here because it's so quiet. No? Quiet at saka relaxing. There's another chairs right here, but they just need to clean this area, huh? No? Pero malinis yung mga dito, oh. Daming kahoy, panggatong. I don't know why they don't get rid of those, huh, no? And use it for bonfire or something. Or maybe because it's too small, it could ignite it faster, no? I'm still looking for that sign though for the fishes. And we can ride bikes right here, look. You can ride the bikes. Alisa can practice her bike. Alisa and me can practice riding the bikes. And daming mga wild blackberries. There's no fruit though of the wild blackberries. Probably later on they're gonna open it for public to camp, no? Maybe they're preparing it. This area where we're walking. Ang ganda ng mga flowers, oh, di ba? Nakaka-relax dito mga palangga. Chill. Yuko. Under the trees. Carp. Carp. How do you say it? Dem? Oh, there it is. Look.
The
Ooh.
other ones, gobies.
Tidewater gobies. Ayun ang hinahanap naming sign. The red swamp crayfish. The crayfish. Oh, look. See?
Bass.
The bass. They have the large mouth bass here. Oh, they make like a little nest like this?
Look at that little fish with a spine.
What is that? What kind of fish is that?
3 spines, stickleback.
Stickleback. Huh. Interesting.
Oh, tiny, 1 to 3 inches, huh?
The only lifespan is 1 to 3 years and an average of only 1 to 3 inches. Small, huh? Western mosquito fish? Mosquito fish. I'd probably like eat the mosquitoes.
That's the one that I always see here.
Oh, those tiny little ones, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the one on the you can see up in the water, no? Huh. So that's all the fish that they have. But they probably have more fish here than that, no?
I think I got another sign.
Uh-huh. Yan yung ano ng lagoon. Ang daming ducks doon sa kabila sa dulo, mga palangga. Ang ganda ng chair dito, oh, di ba? Tingnan mo si Pangging. Psst. Ikutin natin, tapos balik tayo upo sa chair at mag-relax. Oh, this area has a lot of fruit pero namatay yung fruit ng ano, nalanta ng blackberry. There's a spider web, ha? Oh, ang ganda dito, di ba? Para kayo nasa ano, Into the Woods. If you guys watch the movie Into the Woods. Ang ganda. Nakaka-relax kaming dalawa lang yata ang nag-walking dito. Sinundan namin yung ano kanina, yung mga ranger. Oh yeah, it's connected to the park right here, huh? Should we go around? Oh my, there's a bathroom there. Can you use the bathroom, huh? Is that like the one kinda like you put in the back of your truck? But can you sleep in it though? Oh, you lifting it up, huh? You can put it up, huh? A lot of little bugs. Shine. Ang cute talaga, nakugyutan talaga ako sa mga purple ano yun, flower na yun. What are they having the sign? More birds. Okay. May beaver. Dito tinan mo yung buntot ng beaver. Kakatuwa. Platypus. It's a semi-aquatic rodent. They are primarily nocturnal and known for building dams, canals, lodges, or homes. When a beaver feels frightened or alarmed, it will rapidly dive while forcefully slapping the water with its tail. Nearby beavers will dive and may not re-emerge for some time. Beavers are slow on land but are good swimmers and can stay under the water for as long as 15 minutes. Wow. Wala, nakatakot naman tong alligator lizard na to. Oh no. Great blue heron. The largest and one of the most common of the herons, and the great blue heron. And this highly adapted bird can be seen stalking fish and other prey in shallow waters. These experts fishers stab fish with their strong bill and a quick neck head movement. Huh. Oh yeah, we see that a lot in the lake. Look, this lake. Ang ganda ng lagoon, di ba, mga palangga? Arroyo Willow. Ang ganda ng campsite dito kasi ang linis. Wala masyadong tao kasi back to school na yung mga bata. Ayun, may squirrel na tumatakbo-takbo doon. So, ang ganda ng yellow flower. So, move tayo dito habang nag-iintay kay Mister. Ang daming ducks dito sa ilalim. Ayun. Sa tubig dyan, daming ducks. Naglalangoy-langoy siya, takot sa akin. Of course, nakakatakot yata ako mga palangga. Kaya nagtatakbuhan yung mga mga ducks. Stay away from that lady. So, relax yung lagoon dito. I'm not sure if you're allowed to go kayak here. I don't think you are because I've never seen anybody go kayaking. We went walking on the other side of the lake last time. Parang half of the lake. Yun ang doon kami nag-walking. Hindi kami pumunta sa kabila. Hindi ko pa nga na-upload yung video noon. Wala pang time. Daming ganap. So, but I might upload this video first. We'll see. So yun, hintayin natin si Mr. Ang ganda, nakaka-relax dito, nakakatanggal ng stress. Tingnan mo yung yung plants na nag-grow doon sa branch. Ikutin natin yung place na to. Let's see. Let's explore the area. Let's go on an adventure, on Allie venture. Come on. Let's go mga friends, mga palangga. Ay na si Mr. Squirrel tumatakbo. Ako nag-hide na under the hole si Mr. Squirrel. Ang laki ng to, eucalyptus tree. Mahabang dahon ng eucalyptus. Ang laki ng ng web. Right here, and there's a lot of fish. I just saw some of them jumping around. It might be like the small bass, no? Because there's a lot of trees dropping, and I think they think it's food. This is when there's like a big shade. That's where the fish normally hangs out. Yeah. But I still didn't see that sign for fish. Yeah? Maybe just that one, no? Oh, look at down there swimming. Look. You see that at the end over there? Right there, look. Something swimming. Yeah, may nanggalangoy lang. I don't know. Is it? I know, looks weird, huh? May nagsiswimming doon na maliit na Is that maybe a spider or something? Looks weird. Look at that. La. Maybe like a spider that got blown by the wind and trying to survive. Look at that. Hello. If the, what do you call this, the fish sees it, they'll jump and get it, no? It's not a fish, maybe? Huh. Interesting. Do they have clean restroom? Wala, nagtatago yung mga isda today. Late na kasi 12 noon na dito. Mamaya pang off ni Alice sa school. 3:15 PM pa. There's probably a lot of crawfish right here. No? Malilim ngayon mga palangga, hindi ganun kainit. Kaya maganda mag-walking. Oh, right here it'll be perfect because there's a lot of branch. Huh? Feeling payat. Sandwich lang yung breakfast ko, walang kanin, kaya pumayat. Feeling payat. Huh. Nagchichill lang yung squirrels. Ah. Natakot yung isa. Tsaka yung mga uwak. Oh, inano nila yung ano, the fruits. They're picking up the fruit trees, han? Look at that one. Do you see that? Is it a crow? Kumakain siya. Nagpapalitan sila. Oh, wala. Go. Oh, you can smell the eucalyptus. Smells good. You see my tent? My green tent. May pa-sign sila dito. Tingnan natin what is the sign for authorized vehicles only. I think it's only for the employee maybe. Oh, there's another trail. Is this one the one that goes to the beach? Oh, campfire program nila dito. Interesting. Relationship with the land, native California Indians and nature. Ayan, mga palangga, you can read that. You wanna go to the beach a little bit? It's like their movie theater here. Pag nagtuturo sila ng ano, about sa campfire, about the fire. Minsan may bear sila na lumalabas, mascot na bear lumalabas para mag ano dito, interact sa mga kids, lalo pag nag summer camp. Yun yung kanilang ano dyan, screen. I-open nila para malaki yung screen. May pa bonfire, ano sila dito, oh, pit, bonfire pit. Yan, oh. It's not too far. Iniwan ako.